with all the rain, I've been giving these guys earthworm tea too. These Cavendish pups from the mother plant root ball that they're growing out of. These guys are just taking off now. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's another one popping up, 5. So once they get about 1 or 2 feet, I'll separate these from the root ball, from the mother plant that died from the freeze in January of last year. And these are going to air pots to grow out. And I'm going to be moving some of these IBC tote wicking grow beds to the back portion of the yard. I'm going to be putting a greenhouse here for a large nursery for the plants and all the fruit trees. So everything's getting redone this year. Until next time, bigger plans coming. I'm looking for land still for the new homestead.